I have an Android phone which is a decade old and it is not turning on anymore. The buttons are also damaged. Let me check if I can turn this on using an external DC power. Let me open the mobile phone and see what I can do on this. If I take a close look to the battery, it will have 3 pins or connectors. The right pin is the positive and the left one is ground or negative. Then what about the middle pin? Well, that's a special pin. It actually has a thermal resistor inside, which is connected to the ground pin. When the battery temperature rises, it generates current, and when it is above a limit, the device will stop charging or discharging for safety purposes. Now let me measure the phone battery voltage. Nah, it is completely dead. Let me measure the voltage of the pins when I connect a charger cable to the phone. And it is around 4.2 volt, which is required for the lithium battery. Well, in that case, we will use a TP4056 battery charging module, which I have used in my earlier experiments like this one, the Wi-Fi controlled car. Now let's check the connectivity diagram. Simply connect the positive pin to B+, the negative pin to the B-, and take a 10 kΩ resistor between the middle pin and ground. This will mimic the thermal resistor. Without this, the phone will not turn on properly. First, I have tested my idea on a breadboard. As my power switch is broken, I am using a wire to connect the power connectors. And it seems it is turning on. I have used an 18650 lithium battery to test it out. Then we can easily use our planned circuit. And it's time to connect the things as per our diagram. I am using a metal connector to the power on pins to power it on. And it seems it is turning on. Yeah. And here we go. We can run a phone on DC power, and the trick was the 10 kΩ resistor. That's all for this video. See you in next video.